Nothing builds confidence like surviving on your own terms. That first budget you nail? That rent check you cover yourself? That's real self-esteem, not the kind that comes from parental approval. Financial therapist Amanda Clayman sees this daily. Parents fear they're abandoning their kids by setting boundaries. In reality, they're finally treating them like adults. She notes the most resistant young adults often had parents who solved every problem for them. They're not entitled. They're terrified of failing because they've never been allowed to try. The timeline is predictable. Week 1, nuclear meltdown. I'll never forgive you. Month 1, passive aggression, ignored calls, dramatic social media posts. Month 3, first small win. They negotiate a bill or get a side gig. Month 6, tentative pride. I paid my own phone bill this month. Year 1, gratitude. Okay, maybe you were right. Some parents can't handle the initial blowback. That's why financial planner Rachel Carter advises, write yourself a permission slip. I'm allowed to feel guilty and do this anyway. She keeps one in her desk for clients. They read it when doubt creeps in. The employment market proves how capable young adults really are. When parents stop subsidizing lifestyles, magic happens. One 27-year-old went from, I can't survive on $45,000 to earning $68,000 within a year of his parents' cutoff. His secret? I finally asked for what I was worth. The health benefits surprise everyone. Parents report sleeping better once the financial umbilical cord is cut. Adult children, once they adjust, show lower anxiety levels. A University of Michigan study found previously dependent young adults scored 22% higher on self-efficacy scales after achieving independence. Cultural expectations make this harder for some families. In collectivist cultures, supporting adult children is often the norm. But even these traditions are evolving. The Kim family, for example, blended old and new. They let their 28-year-old son stay home rent-free, but required him to invest 30% of his income. He bought a house at 31. Our version of filial piety, Mrs. Kim jokes. The financial turnaround shocks parents most. That $1,200 per month going to a kid's rent? Invested instead, it becomes $300,000 in retirement funds over 20 years. One couple calculated they'd given their daughter $86,400 over 6 years, enough for a down payment on their dream retirement home. The relationship transformation matters more. Parents who once communicated only through Venmo requests now have real conversations. Adult children stop seeing parents as ATMs and start seeing them as people. We actually like each other now, laughs one 32-year-old who hasn't taken money in 4 years. Some families use symbolic milestones. One mother gave her son a framed copy of his last help check when he became fully independent. It hangs in his office now, she says. His version of a trophy. The hardest part? Waiting out the storm. That initial resistance feels personal. It's not. It's fear of failure, of adulthood, of realizing mom and dad won't always be there to catch them. But that's exactly what they need to realize. Every dollar you give your adult kid today is a dollar not growing in your retirement fund. But here's the key. You can help them without sacrificing your future. Instead of covering their bills, guide them toward independence. Start with one honest money talk this week. Show them the numbers, set a timeline, and match their savings to encourage responsibility. It's tough love, but it's love nonetheless.